In this video, I'll show you how to underline your text in Microsoft Word. If you have been wanting to learn how to underline your text in Microsoft Word, ensure you watch this video, subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell notification for lots of educational guides and content like this. Now head over to your desktop background. This is our desktop background, right? Open your Microsoft Word icon, tap on it, it would load automatically. Okay, so our Microsoft Word icon has opened. So tap on the black document. Yeah, so I'm going to now show you how you can underline your text in Microsoft Word. I'll be showing you the two methods you can use to do this. At first, what we need to do, let us type in something in the blank document. So I'll type in how to edu YouTube channel provides educational content. Now I'm going to show you how you can underline this text right in here. So what you need to do, you need to press Control on your desktop, Control, then press A, Control A. It will highlight what you have tested, right? Then once you have pressed Control A, you'd press Control again, you'd press U. You get it? So this is how you can highlight your tests in Microsoft Word. So for us to undo this, you'd press the Control, you'd press Z. You get? So it's pretty easy. What you need to do, you need to press Ctrl A to highlight, then Ctrl U to underline. Then to undo, what you need to do, you need to press Ctrl Z to undo. Then the next method you can use to highlight, the next method you can use to underline your text in your Microsoft Word, what you need to do, you need to press the Ctrl A, right? Then move your mouse, move your cursor to this option. This is the U option. This is underline. You would press this, and once you have done that, your text has been underlined successfully. So if you found this video helpful, ensure you share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next one.